how to get a cheap bundle from MTN. So without wasting my time, I'll take you straight to the platform or show you how you'll get the free or cheap bundle. So let's go. So that part, in your part, and just the *135 hash, then you send. You select your SIM, that's your MTN SIM. See, MTN zone not activated, so I want to activate. Then I'll click 1, which is activate the MTN zone. Welcome to MTN zone. Dial star blah 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 for information on settings. Yes, so let's go back. When you dial *13 *3 hash, you send. Then you click that place again. Yes, they said invalid section, please try again. Let's go back and dial *35 hash, then you send. Now see, MTN zone activated. We are now activated. Yes, our zone is now activated. So let's check our bundle. Let's select option 2, which is zone bundles. Then select 1, which is data zone bundles. See, wow, data zone. Select a data zone bundle to purchase 1 GB for a day at 2 cedis 96 pesos. 2 gig per day is 3 cedis 59 pesos, and 5 gig per day is 5 cedis 39 pesos. That's the cheapest way to get a bundle per day. So let me show you something. When you buy the normal bundle per day, which is *38 hash, then you send. Yes, you are buying the normal bundle, and let's compare the amount we are using to buy the normal bundle and data zone bundle. Option 1, buy self. C, select data bundle, that's flex bundles, and 50 pesos bundle, which is 24 megabytes, and 1 CD 48.10 megabytes, and 3 CDs, which is 471.70 megabytes. Let's click more. 10 CDs, which is 971.82 megabytes, and 399 Ghana cedis, which is 214.09 gig, which is 10 cedis is not even equivalent to 1 gig. You see, 10 cedis is not equivalent to 1 gig. So with the day bundle, with even not up to 3 cedis, you will get 1 gig bundle. This is the best and the easy way we can get the cheapest bundle ever. So you can buy that 2 cedis 59 gigabytes, 59 cedis. Yes, 2 cedis 59 2 cedis 59 cedis is equivalent to 1 gig per day. You can use that one and stop buying. Please, I'm sorry to say that, and please stop buying that expensive bundle which will consume your money. Please subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification for you to be notified when you upload a new video. I have some tricks and a new way you can invest in the MTN to make more money within even a month. So please stay tuned with us. Never forget to subscribe to our channel, and please remember this: if you want to learn how to make money as an affiliate at YouTube, you want to know how to create a YouTube and make money from it, how to sell as an e-commerce, create your own ebooks and make money from that and sell as an e-commerce through your WhatsApp and others, and you want to know how to be a graphic designer using your own smartphone, I will leave that link in the video description below so that when you click on it you get the book for yourself. Thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, thank you for sharing. Love you all. Bye bye.